Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, happy, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your general bonus love reading for January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, so let's start your reading. If it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Because this is the general bonus love reading, so this is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation. I have already uploaded your main reading and then your main reading for main love reading too. Okay, then your extended reading, you can have a look on that videos too, because they are important message for you, my lovely Aquarius. So let's start your bonus love reading, and let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. And thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you. I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. So let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Letting go. Learn to let go. Let it go, Aquarius. Let it go. Let it go. And I'm very bad in singing, okay? Okay, so maybe Aquarius, you have to let it go. Okay, let it go. Letting go is the first message. Learn to let go. Let go of all those things which don't serve your highest good. Let go. So learn to let go is the first message which I'm getting for you. Then there is knowledge. Seek knowledge. Okay, you have to maybe get more knowledge. Maybe you're studying right now on particular something, so seek more knowledge, Aquarius. There is a seek knowledge on a particular thing on which you are learning. Okay, then there is opportunity knocks. Go for it. Opportunity knocks, go for it. So some kind of opportunity which is coming for you. Okay, so there is an opportunity, you have to go for it, Aquarius. Any other message? Learn to let go. Angel of miracles. Open your heart and expect a miracle. You have to let go, Aquarius, and you have to open your heart so that you can get your miracle. Okay, so open your heart, because some of you Aquarius are not opening your heart to receive. So in order to receive, you have to open your heart and you have to let go. Okay, all those things which don't serve your highest good. 1 minute. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, then there is animal bound. Stand up for all animals. So Aquarius, maybe you are having an animal bound, so you have to stand up for all animals. Okay, this is a specific message for someone who may be having, who has to stand up for animals. Okay, and stand up for all animals. If you are finding anything wrong doing or happening around you with animals, so you have to stand up for them. Okay, stand up for all animals. Then there is peacock. Raise your standards, Aquarius. Raise your standards. There is resilience. Rise above tribulations. Okay, rise above tribulations. So beautiful messages and beautiful art from this deck. So you have to learn to let go. There is an opportunity which is coming for you, Aquarius. So go for it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the message proposal. See Aquarius, I have already uploaded your main reading and the extended reading too. And in that reading, I was seeing that beautiful energy is there around you, Aquarius. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, okay? And this is your twin flame, okay? Your soulmate. And they are coming. They are coming. So let's see what are the messages. It was very beautiful reading, so you can have a look on that too. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver? You need to keep a patience, Aquarius. Okay, luck is on your side. You will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. Something is ending. Birth, death and birth is here both. So old things are getting end and new things are coming for you. Death and rebirth is here. Then there is love and lovers here. Love surrounds all your connection. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. There is a lovers here. There are two paths ahead. You have to choose wisely, carefully, Aquarius. See, I told you that you're dealing with your twin flame, your love, your life partner, soulmate, whatever you can call them. Right now, you need to keep your patience, slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. There is luck is on your side. You are right to be strong and optimistic about the opportunities which are coming in your future, okay, which is coming for you. There is a luck which is on your side. Then there is eagle and the lion. Harness the loyal and protective aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently. Okay, you are being protected. You have a protection aura of lion. So charge ahead magnificently, Aquarius. There is a eagle. You will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. There is a journey. A journey is indicated. A plane is here. A journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. So Aquarius, some of you Aquarius are going to travel somewhere. Okay, if you are traveling, then happy journey and take care, because COVID is going on. So take care of yourself, Aquarius. And if you're not doing any kind of journey, so a new journey in your life is going to start. A new chapter is going to start in your life. Okay. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see expansion. I just cut it out in expansion. Let me see what are the messages from Chakra Wisdom Oracle deck. Okay, what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the messages? Completion. There is some kind of world completion which is happening for you. Have faith, Aquarius. Have faith in universe, have faith in divine, and keep doing your prayer. Your prayer is going to answered here. Okay, have faith, and there is prayer here. So keep doing your prayer. Have faith in prayer. Have faith in divine, that everything is working for your good. And there is some kind of completion which is happening for you. There is a world card here. In the main reading too, I was having the world card. So completion is here. Some kind of completion is happening. See, death and rebirth, I told you. So death and rebirth again. Something is ending so that new can start. So this is what it is. So you are completing a thing. See, completion, a karmic completion, a completion of a cycle, is happening here, so that new things can come for you. And have faith, Aquarius, on the universe, on the divine, that everything is working for your own good. And keep praying. Have faith in your prayer. Keep praying whatever you are praying for. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Osho Zen Tarot deck. Okay. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages which are necessary to deliver. What are the messages? See, again, rebirth is here. Death and rebirth. So something is definitely getting end, Aquarius, so that new things can come. Okay, death and rebirth is here again. And there is some kind of postponement which is going to happen, but it's okay, okay? Because there are some kind of celebrations which are coming for you. Okay, Three of Cups energy. In the main reading too, I was having Three of Cups here. Okay, celebration is coming for you, and there is tower movement which is happening for you. In your main reading too, I was having tower, thunderbolt. That means some kind of unexpected changes which are happening for you. And why this is happening? Because there were some necessary changes which you have to make. This is divine intervention. Okay, divine is intervening in your situations, and this happens because when divine sees that they has to intervene, so that you can make necessary changes. This is good one. Okay, you have to let go. See, letting go is here. Let go, Aquarius. You are fighting with your own mind thoughts, and because you are fighting with your own mind thoughts, you're getting exhaustion. You're feeling like an exhausted. Okay, exhaustion is here. Here, can you see there are two man which is fighting here, and this is the single man which is fighting with her own thoughts, with their own thoughts. So being an air signs, if you start thinking that you overthink basically. Okay, so don't overthink. Don't fight with your own mind thoughts. Let go. Letting go. You have to learn to let go. Here, letting go is here. And maybe some of you Aquarius are not letting go. That's why the divine has to intervene in the situation. Okay, anything other message, any other message for Aquarius? See, I told you, because you are indulged in your mind thoughts, you are trapped in your mind thoughts, you are more up in your mind thoughts, Aquarius. That's why you are experiencing some kind of things which you are maybe experiencing. So do not be much up in your mind thoughts, okay? Do not be more up in your mind thoughts. Because of your mind thoughts, you are experiencing these things. Understanding harmony. So universe understand, and you have to understand that you are not alone, Aquarius. You are not alone. Harmony is coming towards you, and see, transformation is taking place for you. You're getting transformed, you're getting spiritually awakened than before. So transformation is always beautiful. Transformation is taking place for you. See, again the traveling card has come for you, Aquarius. Either some of you Aquarius are going to travel somewhere, and if you are not traveling somewhere, so this is the new chapter of your life which is going to start, Aquarius. Don't condition yourself. Maybe some of you are conditioning your own self-worth. Do not condition your own self-worth. There is a possibility, okay, that you are conditioning your own self-worth, that whether I am does I do I basically what I can say, that do I deserve this or not? Yes, you deserve this, Aquarius. Please be more playful. Okay, playfulness is here, so please be more playful rather than more up in your mind thoughts. Please be more playful rather than up in your mind thoughts and moving in that, going a goal round and round and round in your mind thoughts. Okay, please, please be in playfulness energy. Okay, because transformation is taking place, and can you see there is a traveling which is indicated here. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Wow. Wow, yin and yang. Thank you so much. So let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Your heart chakra, your throat chakra is getting activated now, Aquarius. Okay. Let me see what are the message for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Give me the message. Wow. Your third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, is getting activated, and also your first chakra, Archangel Michael, is there. So these two chakras are getting activated, are getting open up for you, Aquarius. Your third chakra and your first chakra, okay? Your root chakra basically, and your sacral chakra, that's the third chakra. Let me read it out for you from the book. Solar plexus, sorry, not the sacral, the solar plexus. The beautiful Archangel Chamuel is holding a beautiful sphere of golden light at the solar plexus. This is the chakra of emotions, of desire, life force energy. So this is opening up for you, Aquarius, and your first chakra, your root chakra, is getting activated too. Okay, and that will create a stability and security. And can you see here? Can you see? Because this chakra was blocked for you, 1717 was the recording reading time. Because your third chakra was blocked, you were unable to open the gate, okay, which was there, and you were holding a key. Can you see? This girl is wearing a necklace, and she's having the key. She can open the gate of the garden, but she was unable to open the garden, okay, while having the key with her only. Okay, now you, while your third chakra is getting open up, now you can open up the garden, okay, the gate of the garden, and enjoy your life. Then there is a first chakra, Archangel Michael. It's all about stability and security, and here you're having caring connection. How beautiful, because your first chakra is getting activated here, is getting open up. So your caring connection, that means your stability and security in your caring connection is coming. You're getting victory for that. Here 1818 was the recording reading time. You're getting victory for that, because these two is getting activated for you here. Okay, your stability is getting activated, your first chakra is getting activated, so that's why your stability and security is coming for you. A caring connection and a victory. See, door to romance is opening up for you, Aquarius. You're getting more intuitive than before, goddess of the moon. There is door to romance which is opening up. You're getting victory in that here. See, because your first chakra is getting activated. Okay, maybe some of you Aquarius are getting, see, 6 of Wands, appreciation. You're getting appreciation for something, but there are some hostilities around you, so stay away from these kind of energies. They're not happy at all, because you're getting hostilities here. You're getting appreciation, 6 of Wands, success, recognition, victory, appreciation into something in which you are, but there's someone around you who's feeling. And there is woman holding a coin, and there is deceit. So some kind of money offer is here for you. This is a woman who is holding a coin, but there is a deceit which is attached for with it. Okay, so please be careful with this offer from a woman. Okay, there is an offer from a woman holding a coin, a money offer. Okay, maybe a job offer, anything related to career offer. Okay, related to pentacle. Okay, related to a coin, but there is a deceit which is attached with this woman. Any other message? See, I was getting this. They are jealous basically, Aquarius. They are jealous. This woman is jealous with you. Envy card has come. Envy and deceit. So she is jealous from you. Okay, she is jealous from you. So stay away. Be aware of this kind of energy around you. And some of you Aquarius are feeling like indecision, but this is the world card again has come for you. Ah, you're completing a cycle. The world is here again. Beautiful. Some of your Aquarius were unable to make a decision. You were at the crossroads and you have to make a decision for your life. But now you're completing a cycle here. See, and the new beginnings, the happy beginning, the sun is coming for you. Because this is the world card is here, completing old cycles, unable to make a decision, but now you're completing a cycle, and the sun has here the happiest card in the tarot deck. New happy beginnings are coming for you in your love life, in every area of your life. So this was the message from the energy oracle deck, and thank you so much energy oracle deck for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages from Native Spirit Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my lovely Aquarius all over the world? Give me the messages. Owl Medicine and Spirit of Earth. Bottom of the deck I'm having Bounded Healer. Okay. So let me read it out for you. Owl Medicine. Wisdom, illumination, intuitive and deep insight abound. Go within. Profound majesty and grace is available to you simply by pulling your awareness inward. Okay. Ancient knowledge is emerging within you. You know the truth. Trust your perception, Aquarius. You are the truth seeker and truth sharer. Nurture the feminine spirit within you. Okay. So you're getting more intuitive, you know what is truth, and you are the truth seeker and truth sharer. Okay, so nurture the feminine spirit of the within you. Then there is spirit of the earth. Prosperity is blossoming in all areas of your life, Aquarius. You are strong and grounded. Who you are is enough. Just as you are. Connect more fully with nature. The spirit of earth asks that you tend to your health, detoxify your body, understand how to use your body psychology, pay attention to your body feels and respond accordingly. Create a home for your soul. Have objects in your home that feels good to you every time you see them. Be present and cherish the here and now. So beautiful message for you. There is Wounded Healer. Healing energy, vitality, and life force are flowing through you and to you. You are a healer, Aquarius, and you provide healing for others. Even if you are not conscious of it, whatever needs healing in your life is being resolved. Your so called faults are becoming your virtues. No matter what happens in the past does not need to equal the future. It's true. The cracks can be where the light enters the soul. Beautiful message for you. Okay. So you are the healer. If you do not know that, use your intuition. Very powerful messages for you, Aquarius. Use your intuitions, and the healing is coming for you. Your healing is happening for you. You are the healer, and you can heal others too. Okay. And make a room, make a house for your soul, basically. Okay. Detoxify your body. As you know that transformation is taking place for you, so healing is coming for you, and transformation. Use your intuitions. Beautiful messages, beautiful messages. Thank you so much, Native Spirit deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Crystal Spirit Oracle deck, and I am going to close out your bonus love reading then. Let me see what are the messages from my lovely Aquarius. There are 3 messages for you. Okay, the first message for you is blue lace agate. Peaceful acceptance, stress-free, non-attachment, freedom from unnecessary drama. Okay. The universe is ruled by divine order, so now is the time to release all the anxiety if you are having in your relationship. If you are sensing that your relationship is in transition, know that the conscious universe wants the best for you and will work with you to help you experience the loving relationship you deserve. Okay, so be at peace for you, Aquarius, and release. Peaceful acceptance is here. You have to accept it, and stress free, you have to free yourself from any kind of stress which you are having inside of you. Freedom from unnecessary drama is happening. Okay, accept the things whatever they are, because universe is giving you beautiful things. Then there is amethyst. This is familiarity, unconsciousness, habits, old pattern in need to be released. Relationships can be like a comfortable pair of slippers well broken in, but Amethyst is here to waken you up to the existing possibilities of ever richer partnership or relationship with someone you feel a connection to. Step out of the same old, and into a new way of interacting, perhaps something as basic as saying thank you and or I love you more often, or speaking your truth with love and conviction, even if in relation to seeming trivial things. Big journey of healing start with small steps. So Aquarius, you have to change, you have to release old habits. Okay, there is a need to release old habits which you are carrying on within yourself, in your unconsciousness. Maybe you are carrying things which you do not have to carry. That's why there is a message of let go, letting go, release. There is jade, treasures within a consciousness of abundance, recognizing that you are more than enough. Okay, you are more than enough. Beautiful message for you, Aquarius. So thank you so much, Crystal Spirits Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So these were your bonus love reading for January 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, and if you want to tell me anything, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to share anything, if you want to ask me anything. I will be happy and I will be glad that I will help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Okay, see you soon.